fingerprint sensor not working on Samsung after updating, or if it does not work randomly. So if your fingerprint sensor is not working for any of the reasons, maybe after update or anything, it could be a slight bug in this case. The first thing is, if you're using any type of screen protectors, that could be the cause of the issue and not necessarily an update. In that case, you can open settings, go to display, scroll down and turn on touch sensitivity, which will increase the sensitivity of your screen for use with screen protectors. Second thing that you can do is you can simply scroll down and you can go to device care over here, and under device care, or maybe you can go to digital well-beings or security and privacy. So from security and privacy, you can go to screen lock and biometrics and deregister the current fingerprint and add a newer fingerprint and register it again. So go to fingerprints option here, and if you've added one fingerprint, make sure to disable that or remove that fingerprint and try to re-register your fingerprint again and see if it recognizes it. And you can try to switch between multiple angles. So that's all for this video. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.